So I bought this on Amazon, and I'm going to use it to ice my leg because I got a bad knee. When did it happen? I bought a knee back. I'm going to try it out. When you first get it, you got to put it in the freezer. Just leave it in there. Whoops. I set it in there. My thing came undone, but that's all right. Just leave it in there, and it's overnight, and it'll be ready for tomorrow. All right? All right, so we're going to get it out of here. Let's get rid of all the frozen bananas. All right. So I'm going to show you how to use this thing now. All right, so anyway, in the instructions, the way they show to put this on is a little bit different than the way I did it. They show to put it on. The kneecap goes there, like that. And then basically all you do is just bring this around and bring this one around and tighten her down. And I'm going to try that right now. So I need it two hands, so I I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to see how far I can get this thing around my leg and see if I can actually get it to really get the whole leg. And I think I'm pretty close. I'm just missing a little bit back here. So this is the way that they wanted you to do it. This is the way in the instructions they show you how to do it. Just like that. And I take and I put the block under it. And then I just kind of sit here for 10 to 15 minutes and just let it chill out. I just relax. And then that thing just chills down the knee. So anyway, I got my little pillow thing. I just keep my head on there. And then bam. Got the knee chilling out like a son of a gun. There we are. So that's how they do it in the directions. Just like that. But it does leave some spots in the back. If you look, it doesn't really go all the way around. So that's my only fault with this. And that's why I got this thing here. You can see it's super cold. And that's why I wrapped the whole knee with it. So anyway, there she be. That's the way they say in the instructions. But you don't really get the whole leg. Just warning you. So if you want to get another ice pack like I did and wrap it, it works, to get the whole complete knee. All right, so anyway, to get it off, just peel the Velcro. Comes off very easily. Just got to find out where the other one's at. Over here. Yeah, done. And then flip them. Flabbity floopity. And that sucker's melted completely. So anyway, that is my review of the Relief Expert Ice Gel Pack. I think it works pretty good. I would recommend buying it if you have problems with your knees like I do, especially after working out. Anyway, just the way I put it away is I just lay this one on the inside. I fold it over like that. And then I just kind of roll it over its straps. Kind of keep them in straight. And then when I get to the end, I just fold them over. And now I'm ready to just throw it right back into the freezer. All right, so anyway, we're ready to go. Just gonna pop it open. Just slide it in there just like that. And bam, tomorrow it'll be ready for another session. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos.